Hello everyone, good morning. Good morning to both the Insta viewers and the YouTube viewers. And again, we are live on both. That we were not knowing about the live. So guys, it's a request, if you are attending the live, please share it afterwards. You can save the video and you can share it. You can share the link to your colleagues also, so that others can also take the benefit of it. So today I'm going to take a very important topic, that is the prescription of the glasses. And this is especially not only important for your NEET PG entrance examination, but also for the FMG students, because last year there was a dhamaka. There was a question from the prescription of the glasses, and whenever I keep this question even in the TND, then most of the students have some doubt, some fear, some problem about this question. So how many of you are ready? How many of you are ready to do this question, prescription of the glasses? Hello everyone, good morning. So thank you so much for attending the live, even though I know that many of you are hi Nizam, I am good, how are you? So even though I know that many of you are in classes at this time, so I am trying to change this time, maybe before the classes in the morning or after the classes in the evening. So surely I would change this time in a few days, and then many more of you can attend, uh, because you know I have got many requests that change the time of the live. Hello everyone, how are you guys? Hello everyone. Thank you so much. Good day to you people also. So this is one question that I have designed for you. This is one question that I have designed for you people. Please see. So here you can see the retinoscopic findings. Is it visible, guys? Audio video clear hai? Is it visible? तो देखो, अगर you are getting this kind of a question, then how to find out the prescription of the glasses? How to find out the prescription of the glasses? They have given you retinoscopic findings. Please let me know audio video clear hai na? Yes. Hi Sonal. Work hard. You can send me your query about this on my direct message on Telegram, and I would definitely answer you. ये देखो. So whenever you are getting this kind of a question, like we have +5 here and we have +3 here, okay? And they are asking you the prescription of glasses, and what you can do, you have to apply this formula. तो बहुत simple formula है, no rocket science. You have to learn this formula. Refractive error is equal to retinoscopy. Now retinoscopy they will have to give you, okay? तो ये हमें याद नहीं करना है. You don't have to learn this. They will give you the retinoscopy whatever they want. Now you have to apply minus the distance factor minus the tonus. So please remember this formula. सबसे पहले you have to remember this formula. That is a prerequisite है. Refractive error is equal to retinoscopic finding. Retinoscopic finding will be given to you minus the tonus करना है, minus the distance factor and minus the tonus. Now one by one we will learn what is this distance factor. What is this distance factor? Distance factor is simple hai, 1 upon distance. Whatever distance they have given you, you have to do it 1 upon distance, and this distance should be in meters. Point number 2. Another important thing, what is the distance factor? Distance factor hai 1 upon distance in meters. Now most of the time you will remember that it is 1 upon distance, but maybe you forget it is in meters. So first convert the distance into meter, and then only you have to get this distance factor. 1 upon distance in meters you have to take for this formula. ठीक है? So they will tell you from how much distance they are doing this retinoscopy. Now suppose they are not telling you, then you have to consider it to be 1 meter, because ideally we do the retinoscopy from a distance of 1 meter. ठीक है? Otherwise they will give you from what distance you are doing. It can be an arm's distance, 2/3 of a meter, or most commonly it is 1 meter. So if they have given you 1 upon distance in meter, it's okay. Otherwise you take it as 1 meter. Then the last part of this formula is the tonus. Last part of this formula is the tonus. Tonus क्या है? Tonus depends upon the mydriatic and the cycloplegic that you are using. So again, this is not a guess. They will tell you in the question what mydriatic or the cycloplegic they are using. What mydriatic or the cycloplegic we are using, they will tell you in the question. Now how to remember this? इसके लिए we have a simple formula है. एसिटाइल कोलिन होता है ACH, ठीक है, एसिटाइल कोलिन. We have a simple formula. A है C and H. Atropine, we have atropine, then we have cyclopentolate, and then we have homatropine. ठीक है. Now just remember atropine is 1. Atropine 1 हो गया. Then lesser than this 0.75 and lesser than this is 0.5. ये देखो simple formula है. एसिटाइल कोलिन में we have ACH. A for atropine 1 है, then we have 0.75 and then we have 0.5. Now again, if they are not giving you tonus, they will tell you the mydriatic and cycloplegic that they have used, and mostly they are giving atropine because it is simpler, it is easier to solve the formula by the one tonus. Okay, so we are going to solve this question based on this formula now. And what we are going to do, I am going to take two parameters, that is distance. So distance I am going to take as 1 meter, and tonus also I am taking to be 1 because I am considering the fact that we have used atropine. Ye dekho. So what we have to do, we have to apply this formula now. Retinoscopy is equal to refractive error is equal to, तो refractive error is equal to retinoscopic findings. ये हो गई retinoscopic findings in the two different meridians. These are the retinoscopic findings in the two different meridians because you have to calculate the refractive error in two different meridians. So we will require the retinoscopy also in two different meridians. हो गया minus the distance factor. Distance is 1. So your distance factor is 1, and tonus I am considering to be again 1 because I am considering that we are using atropine. So what will be the refractive error now? It will be -1, -1, -1 and -1. ये देखो. So most of the times what you are doing, you people are not applying this formula to both the meridians. You will have to apply this formula in both the meridians. So -1 here also, -1 here also. Similarly -1 and -1. -1 is the distance factor, -1 is the tonus. -1 is the distance factor, -1 is the tonus. So what is the refractive error now? The refractive error that you are going to get here will be your 3 plus 3 and plus 1. ये देखो. So the final retinoscopy that you are going to get, will be plus 3 and plus 1. Now based on this retinoscopy, I will have to prescribe the glasses. Okay, now you can see that on one meridian it is plus 3 and in one meridian it is plus 1. So this is different power. Now because this power is different, therefore I would say that it is a case of astigmatism. Okay, therefore I can say that this is a case of astigmatism. Now on the first live I told you how to solve a question on astigmatism. So it is plus 3 and plus 1, plus and plus. So it is compound hypermetropic. So it is compound hypermetropic kind of astigmatism. And what is the type? Is it with the rule or against the rule? So we know that as the hypermetropia will increase, the power is decreasing. Therefore, the plus 1 power is more. Therefore, this plus 1 power is more. So what kind of astigmatism this patient is having? Compound hypermetropic astigmatism, and plus 1 is having very good sonal. Sonal, you are absolutely correct. Therefore, it is against the rule. Compound hypermetropic against the rule astigmatism. Okay. Now, how will I prescribe the glasses? One, I can take it as a spherical error, and one I will take as a cylindrical error. Now, again, listen to me very carefully. And those of you are watching the video and feeling that it is beneficial, please like the video and share the video, okay, so that the others can also benefit. So I can see so many students on both the platforms. You can like the video and you can share the video. Okay, now you can see one of them is a spherical error you can take, and one take as a cylindrical error. So I am taking this as the spherical and I am taking this as cylinder. ये देखो, I have taken one as a spherical and one as a cylindrical. Now you can take other way around also. So I am going to tell you the other combination also. Here I am taking this as a spherical and this as cylindrical. Now when I am saying that this is a spherical component, what will happen? Sphere will act in all the meridians. So already the +3 will start acting here also. So I am writing this +3 diopter spherical. Okay, so I am writing +3 is a diopter spherical. Now +3 has started acting here also, but here I require only +1. Here I require only +1. So I will have to reduce this 3 from it. So 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 you have to do. That will make it -2 diopter cylinder. Now why I have reduced? Because in this axis I have to give a cylinder which is only +1, and when I have given +3 as a diopter spherical, when I have given +3 as a diopter spherical, already I have given +3. So I will have to reduce this. So 1 minus 3 will become -2. And always remember that the power of cylinders will always act at a perpendicular axis. So if I am giving it here, this will not act here. Then this will act here. Okay. It is always acting at a perpendicular axis. So if I want to give the cylinder at this axis, I will have to give there. So I will have to give at 90 degree. Therefore, this becomes +3 plus 1 diopter cylinder minus 3 diopter spherical at the 90 degree. ये देखो. Are you getting this? Why I have reduced this? And second important thing, why I have given at 90? Because my cylinder has to act at 180. So I will always prescribe at a perpendicular axis. That is why. Hi Rizwan, how are you? Welcome. Hi Aishwarya. ये देखो. So now finally it becomes +3 diopter spherical minus 2 diopter cylinder at 90 degree. The first prescription. Please see. You can give me a thumbs up if you have understood. If you have any doubt, then please post it on the comment section. This is the first prescription. I will give +3 diopter spherical to my patient and I will give -2 diopter cylinder to my patient. 90 degree I will give this. So have you understood this? Now what if I would have chosen the other way round? I could have chosen +1 diopter spherical also. I could have chosen +1 diopter spherical also. That can also be the option. Now what you have to do? You don't have to solve it again. Just change this sign and change this degree. Value will remain same. Change this sign, change this degree, and you will get the second prescription. Ye dekho. I am just changing the sign from -2 plus 2 diopter cylinder will remain same, and instead of 90 I am making it at 180C. This will be the second prescription. This will be the second prescription. So you can solve this question in 50% of the time. You don't have to solve both the sides. You have to solve only one and then change the sign, change the degree. You will get the other prescription by yourself. Ye dekho. So this is a simple question. How to solve a question related to the prescription of glasses with the help of this simple example. Please see if you have understood, and the moment you have understood this question, believe me, you have actually won the battle of one more question, a typical question, a difficult question, which can actually be a speed breaker in your exam. So please see if you have understood, all of you. Please repeat how to change without the calculation. So Sonal, what you have to do, you have to just take the other part, like initially I had taken +3 diopter spherical and +1 diopter cylinder. Now I have taken +1 diopter spherical. Okay, now change this minus sign to plus. Value will remain same, 2 diopter cylinder, and change this axis to perpendicular axis. If it is 90, you have to take 180. If it is 180, take 90. And without calculation, you can get the other option. Okay, Sonal? And you can solve it also. You will get the same value. The thing is that we can reduce the time. We can save the time by doing this. So please see, FMG students, NEET PG students, please see if you have understood. a very important question. So this was a very important thing that we have done for today. Do one thing, solve more questions related to this, and do let me know if you are able to do these questions. And if you are blocked somewhere, then you can share the screenshot on the direct message with me, and I could see where is the roadblock and where you are getting wrong. So I hope this benefits you. Okay, I hope this benefits you and you have understood. Now, a general, something general now. We can talk about the